Hello, my name is Kate Wisbach and I'm an immigration advisor and trainee solicitor at the North East Law Centre based in Newcastle. Immigration legal aid contracts are held by legal firms that have successfully tendered a contract from the legal aid authority. In order to get one of these contracts, firms have to meet certain requirements, such as having qualified advisors and supervisors, and also meeting a Lexel Quality Mark standard. And because of this, it means that quite a lot of the firms that hold legal aid contracts are private firms with the infrastructure and the finance to be able to put these things in place. Now, private firms exist to create profit, and they are commercial entities, and quite often the lawyers will have billing targets. Now, when I worked for a private firm, my billing target was 3 times my annual salary, and that was the amount I had to bring in to the firm every year. So, hypothetically, if a legal advisor's salary is £20,000, they need to bring in £60,000 to the firm every year. If you're getting a fixed fee of £413 per case, then that's around 145 cases a year that you need to be closing and billing to the legal aid authority. £20,000 is probably a junior salary, and then that's going to increase if you're a senior caseworker or a solicitor or even a partner. So we're seeing this approach from private firms of having hundreds of asylum claims open, or not just asylum claims, but other people who can access legal aid, with very minimal work being done on them, because I can do 1 hour's worth of work on a file and bill that and still get £413. It also means that many immigration lawyers are completely unreachable, and this is something we often hear from our clients, is that they haven't been able to get in touch with their lawyers because these lawyers have so many cases that they can't simply be approachable and available to everyone. So firms can charge really high fees, even though the individual's financial situation hasn't changed at all. On the other hand, whilst not-for-profit legal firms receive the same fees from the legal aid authority, we can see a greater flexibility in their approach to more people. One thing that I have recognised, having moved from private to not-for-profit, is that we take on a lot more complex cases, and these are the cases that have often been rejected by private firms, not out of a lack of desire or want to help people, but because they just take too much time and there is no financial value for the firm to take that case on. So as we can see, there are different approaches in immigration legal advice, whether that's under legal aid, through a private firm or a not-for-profit firm.